This is just gonna cause a lot of chaos. Maybe for you, Teach. Oh! Yo! Oh! Yeah. Give her a shot. We just picked up this new power washer and it makes cleaning engine bays so easy. That's actually why we got it. So we just cleaned up Calvin's engine bay and now we're gonna do the same thing for my FD. Before this goes off into paint, we need to clear off all this grime, all this grossness. Rather than doing it by hand and it taking hours, spend a couple bucks, pick up a power washer, hose it down with soap, and you're good to go. It's a late Christmas present. Let's consider it a New Year's present. So let's go over what's in the first box.
Those are polyurethane bushings for the steering rack because the old steering rack bushings are from 1992 and they're all clapped out. So
super clapped. That's what we got. We got a little upgrade. And also ISR. This is all from ISR, by the way. Thank you so much, ISR.
Stainless steel power steering rack lines.
Because the other ones are fun. That's a mouthful. Lines. There we go. Thermostat, just because you need a good thermi. Let's give it a little open,
That's for
Mickey.
the fanciness.
Let's give it a little open. You know I'm a hot boy in these parts, Mickey.
Yeah, we were gonna steal his, but
you're gonna steal my what?
Nothing.
Ooh,
just didn't think you were gonna hear that.
Yeah.
Oh, dude.
Hot boy parts.
Hey,
when I was able to use hot boy parts on my car.
Hey, isn't that
second
box to open? Get out! Isn't that your just shell that's sitting in the corner of the shop?
I can't do anything with. You guys stole everything. My space, my friend. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Your friend's right here.
My other friend.
Oh, Sean, you got replaced, brother.
Yeah, dude, it's cool.
You just not even filming me open this box. What are you doing, man? Spread them, doctor. Oh, I don't even know where to begin. Okay, that's a lot of shit.
That there is your power steering reservoir to replace that old grimy piece of shit that was in there. New parts, good stuff.
Dude, it's like Christmas again. It's like Christmas again.
Yeah, it looks like the water pump. Beautiful.
Just a beauty.
Brand new water pump.
Oil.
Yeah. New parts for the win.
Ooh, new parts for the wind.
Yeah, that's nice.
Oh, heat shield. Very important. Because now that the SR is going in, huh? What is he saying to me?
Rubbing it in my face. Look at all these shiny new parts.
I did not.
My dinky zip tie on fenders outside.
I did not do that.
Don't lie. He's lying.
I did it. I did. You.
That's all he does.
All right. Get ice right here. My tits are right here. This is very.
I get it.
This is very important because the turbo is going to be mounted on the driver's side where there's the master cylinder, and that shit gets hot. And this is a good little shield.
So probably throw some heat shield product on this to deflect the heat away from it as well. Good stuff.
Good stuff. Hoses.
Oh, this is your O2 sensor adapter to run the small O2. Yep.
Bung.
Just solutions, left and right.
Clutch line. We need that.
Yep.
More clutch line. AN fitting things.
Oh, that's your power steering lines. Go with the kit.
This is also high power steering thing. All I care about are the boxes, Mickey. What's in this box?
Ooh, that's your alternator.
Oh, shiny parts for the win, baby. I can't get them out fast enough, T. Shiny parts for the win.
Baby.
Dude, that's a nice turbo.
Turbo booster. There's more stuff coming. This is what they had on the shelf, so they sent it out. The rest of the stuff's on its way.
All the seals.
Dang, all the seals.
All the seals.
Oh yeah, rear main seal, front main seal goes under here.
Doing a complete little motor touch-up today, huh?
Yep, new gaskets. Beauty.
All of the memes.
Thank you, ISR.
First thing I'm gonna install is the new power steering catch can. Oh boy, does it look good. And there's a bracket in there for both left-hand drive and right-hand drive.
And since my SR came from a right-hand drive car, I need to put the right-hand drive bracket in. Ooh, baby, it's gonna be so good. Just a good power steering catch reservoir thing. Next thing on the list is to do these guys right here. We're gonna change them from hard lines to steel braided lines. And it's just gonna be a good swap. Again, I haven't been recording, but what had happened is I took out the bushing that I'm gonna replace with this guy. I took that out and I had to undo these lines in order to do that properly. I will be back when I have it in and I'll explain why I did it and what's gonna become of it.
Are those real?
These are my fakes.
Are they actually real though?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
You ruined those.
Ruined or just a nice full send?
I'm gonna steal Danny's content today.
Yeah, it's better.
Oh, just a good looking Miata. Miss this car.
No, you don't.
I don't miss mine, Danny.
Claim that.
I miss yours. Yours is nicer than mine was ever going
Yours
to be.
was so nice.
Danny has the idea that I have to hot boy and wire manage everything.
Give me 20 days. This will look very nice.
Holding it against you, Dan. Holding it against you, Dan.
Blue, green, orange, purple, white, black. Disgusting, disgusting. Up bottle, Coors Light, Monster Energy.
Dude, it's a...
Just gotta do something about that, you know?
This is an abortion. Hey, be careful, Dan. Pulling those things. Oh, it's already... She's out. Done. That was easy.
Got it, brother. That's the first step to many.
Now you have so much room for activities. You can put your catch can in there.
Actually, I probably will put my catch can, which is over there.
2 months
That's,
from now,
dude,
you know,
everything is so bunk. Look how my catch can's set up.
Where is your catch can?
Yeah.
It's atmosphere. You vent your catch can to atmosphere, Dan?
Definition of atmosphere, my brother.
Oh.
I'm gonna come off here now. I'll come off a vacuum line back here, maybe.
Yeah.
Throw the catch can right there.
Damn.
Yeah, they did good.
Yeah.
The body kit.
Not
to
bad.
sit on top
Not
of
bad. Well, there's your problem. Garbage, not garbo. Oh, just a good, oh shit. Just a good bushing. Danny! Just a good bushing, Dan. I don't know how I'm gonna do this though. This is like WrestleMania. I'm gonna lube up my hole though. Give her a little dab of lube will do you. Doctor my hole. Lube up my doctor hole.
Oh, there's the hole, brother.
Oh, just get it in there. Oh shit, too much. You could always have too much lube. I don't know how I'm gonna do this.
Get it in there, Dad.
I don't know how Dad's gonna do it, Dan. Oh, she's in there. I'm in there like Panda Bear.
That's the face you would give.
I'm in there in Panda Bear, baby.
Yeah, it does look pretty decent.
It looks pretty.
It looks pretty good.
I have to attest to this build quality. I wasn't gonna get this on my car, but then ISR decided to sponsor my build, and I have to attest to this. Anyone that's doing an SR swap to a 240, S13, S14 are doing an SR swap, this power steering kit for 300 bones is sick as fuck. First, you get your steel lines from the rack to the whatever this whatchamacallit is, the steering thing. Then from here, you get AN fittings to replace the hard lines that used to go across the subframe and out over here, shown by this bracket. It goes instead up here, just a good S-bend into the beautiful reservoir. And then this guy goes right in to the power steering pump. And I still have to install the high pressure line. If I saw someone put this in their car, if I went to a car meet and I saw it, holy fuck, I would be like, I need that for my SR20. Good kit. Oh, and not to mention, I changed the bushings. That's a good little mod. Good little mod. Oh!
Here's one.
So after about an hour or so of cleaning, we got most of the grime off. There's some like nicks and corners here that just like we're not able to get it off, but like to the touch, doesn't leave any residue or anything, but it looks pretty damn good. Way better than what originally started. We were really only concerned about this front part because that's the only part that you're actually gonna see. Both these sides are not visible.
Looks pretty good for 25 years old, huh?
The 2JZ didn't get as far as we hoped as we did today. So the tuner's not coming down tonight, but he gave us a checklist of everything that we need to have done for dyno day in a day and a half. We're definitely going for a race here.
But to give like an update of what happened today, this took Eric like a lot of hours to do. So the surge tank is all hooked up, all the filters work, all the wiring was done. He made this awesome like custom switchboard that kind of shows us our fuses, breakers, all that shit. That took a long time, and that is all set up and is now working. So plan for tomorrow
TJ's piece
is to pretty much put everything back together.
Fingers crossed at this point. There's a deadline and we're trying to make it. I'll leave it at that. We made good progress on Calvin's 240 today. I made good progress on both our engines bays. The RX-7 engine bay is clean. Calvin's 240 engine bay is clean. And I know he showed you a bunch of the interior stuff he did for that. SR motor that will be going in maybe tomorrow, potentially tomorrow. Other than that, I'm getting ready to go home, edit this video. I'm cashed. We have been here all day. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. I will see you tomorrow as always. Peace out and keep moving forward.
And I'm feeling